In today's video, we will be visiting Vista Cana once again, and we're going to go to the area where the second beach will be located. For those of you who are not aware, the first beach, which many of you personally visited and experienced it firsthand, is 25,000 square meters. The second one will be double in size, 50,000 square meters. And right in front of the second beach is where the project we will be discussing today will be located. The project is Seven Palms Beach Luxury. This project was released just a couple of months ago. Because of my schedule with other projects, I didn't get a chance to make a video on Seven Palms Beach Luxury sooner. Seven Palms Beach Luxury is a project of apartments and villas located in front of the second beach in Vista Cana. The villas are sold already, so no sense going over them, but there are a few apartments available, and so we will be going over these. The apartments are one bedroom plus studio, and one bedroom plus studio penthouse. Sizes range between 56 square meters, approximately 602.78 square feet, and 89 square meters, approximately 957.99 square feet. The first floor units come in two sizes. The first option is 71 square meters, approximately 764.23 square feet. And this includes a kitchen, living and dining area, laundry closet, one bathroom, balcony, and terrace. The second option is the 83 square meters, approximately 893.40 square feet, which also includes a kitchen, living and dining area, laundry closet, one bathroom, balcony, and terrace. But this is where it changes. You get a studio room right behind the kitchen that you can use as a second bedroom. And this one bedroom unit can now be a two bedroom unit. Second and third floor units are all 56 square meters, approximately 602.77 square feet. It comes with a kitchen, living and dining area, laundry closet, one bathroom, and balcony. The fourth floor units are all 89 square meters, approximately 958 square feet, divided up into the main floor and the rooftop. The main level will have a kitchen, living and dining area, laundry closet, one bathroom, and balcony. There will also be a staircase from inside the unit that'll take you to and from the rooftop. The rooftop will have a studio room, which you can use as a second bedroom. You also get the convenience of another full bathroom and an open space terrace. Here are some renderings of the project. The amenities offered at Seven Palms Beach Luxury are pet park, children's playground, swimming pools, clubhouse, gym, cigar lounge, pool bar, and more. It's important to note that you and your guests will also have access to all the amenities and conveniences that Vista Cana will provide as well. These include two man-made beaches, an eco trail, a sports zone, a clubhouse, a fishing lake, a business center, two shopping centers, a 9-hole 3-par golf course that is illuminated for nighttime play, and many more upcoming attractions. And let's not forget that you will be just a few minutes from the downtown Punta Cana area, which is where you can find some nightlife, restaurants, bars, supermarkets, shops, movie theater, gas station, business center, and much more. Let's go over the payment plan. Reserve with $2,000 US. This is non-refundable should you change your mind. Pay 15% with agreement to purchase. This is usually done within 30 days from the day you reserve. Pay 45% during the construction phase and pay the final 40% upon delivery. You can choose to pay it in full or you can acquire financing. The estimated delivery date is February 2026. To take advantage of this opportunity, shoot me an email to info@mikemasterspresents.com or mikemasterspresents@gmail.com. You can also text me or call me direct or via WhatsApp to 484-944-1621. And if you're ready to block and reserve one of these units, remember to send me a copy of your passport and the front and back of your driver's license. If you have a Dominican cédula, that'll work as well. This is a mandatory procedure no matter which project you invest in. Well, that's all I have for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give my content a like. Become a subscriber if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell and choose all so you get notified immediately when a new video is updated. And share these videos with others so they too can benefit from it as well. Don't forget to visit my webpage, mikemasterspresents.com, and follow me on Instagram at mikemasterspresents. Until next time, have a great day.